our shapes in a fun, new way! There's a circle, square, triangle, too. Shapes are everywhere, what can you do? Star and heart, come join the crew. Learning shapes is fun with you. Then I'm a circle, round and neat. I can roll right down the street. Spin around, go round and round. I'm the shape that loves to bounce.
Spin or roll arms like a wheel. I'm a square with 4 straight sides, all the same. I'm nice and wide. Step in a box, 1, 2, 3, 4. March your feet across the floor.
Step in a square, pattern on the ground. I'm a triangle, pointy and tall. 3 little sides, that's not much at all. Reach up high, make a peak. Clap your hands and tap your
Hands above head to make